Well, here we are at Autotrend Specialty Cars. Here's another interesting car for you. 2009 Pontiac G8 GXP. This car is a stick shift. It's a very rare one. I have a 3-pedal car on one of these. This car we custom fitted with the factory GM 21-inch wheels from the Chevy Camaro. Changed the tire sizes though, otherwise that would not be correct. So now this car has brand new tires, and actually these wheels are brand new. These wheels are from the dealership shelf. Dual exhaust. Really clean car. Actually 135,000 miles on this car. We've gone over it and done a few things for tidy up on it, but basically we didn't touch a thing. Get a good idea here. This car even has a clean Carfax. Like I said, those wheels are brand new. They're not even used wheels off of someone's car. Could use a bit of a tidy up on the front bumper there. We'll go into the interior. Have a look at those 3 pedals. Seats are in great condition here. A little bit of thread stitch needed on the passenger, very minor. There's the fun stick there. Really clean on the back seats as well. Probably nobody even sat there, who knows. Over 135,000 miles, I'm sure somebody did. But that's in great condition. We just did brand new strut mounts. There's the box with the old parts. Good, clean, high mileage, interesting car. Looks like $1 million, and you don't get too many of those nowadays. That's the fun part right there for most enthusiasts who really want to drive. Somebody who wants a GXP, an interesting one on the cheap, able to drive it. There you go.